Are you a visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learner? These are the three learning styles that many teachers and educators have to learn about when it comes to teaching children. The theory is that each person identifies more with the visual system, the auditory system for hearing, or the kinesthetic system where they just get on and do it. And we need to figure out which one is better for them to learn their skills more quickly. Now, this one's a bit tricky to be calling it a myth, because the myth here is that this is actually scientifically verified in any way. It is not true that somebody has discovered this to be outright fact. But what is true is that changing your teaching styles might actually be different for different individuals and in different circumstances. So while I'm classing this one as a myth, it's not one to completely discard.